If you ever wanted to pursue a career in accounting and wonder if it's worth the try, you're on the right video. In this episode, we will take a closer look into accounting and discuss some top reasons why you should consider pursuing this profession. Welcome back to another episode of Facultive Station. Get involved and join the community by subscribing to the channel so you never miss any of our latest uploads. In this episode, we're going to be taking a look at reasons why accounting can be fun. Let's get into it. Accounting is fun for anyone who is into logical thinking and has an affinity for mathematics and business. Ideally, jobs in this profile are best suited for organized candidates who are driven to help businesses run efficiently. If you are choosing accounting as a profession, you need to understand that it will work the same way as other professions. With accounting, too, you will only enjoy the job if you are genuinely interested in the key factors of the profession, which mostly involves supporting businesses and helping them stay organized and on top of their accounts. Helping businesses grow. This is one of the defining reasons why accounting is fun. One of the key areas of the job is to support dozens of businesses that are looking to grow and thrive. Of course, as with every other job, you will face severe challenges along your way. However, if you are driven enough to support businesses through and through, you will certainly find your role exciting and enjoyable. Being an accountant, you will play a crucial role in ideating and disseminating financially sound advice to business stakeholders. Since you will also organize and manage all of the accounts for the said businesses, you will have plenty of room to improvise, perform fact checks, and run numbers. As a successful accountant, you end up playing a useful part in the daily decisions and operations of businesses. Even if you find it mundane for the first or second year, within 3 years or more, you will have a proper grasp of the business accounts, after which the job will be exciting as ever. Remember, the scope of an accounting job is limitless if you are truly passionate about the tasks at hand. So, if you have a fun time running numbers and are genuinely looking to serve as a helping hand for businesses, you might just want to consider accounting as your profession. Learn new things. A profession becomes boring when you start to repeat the same patterns, and there's absolutely nothing new in store for you. However, such is not the case with accounting. Even though bookkeeping might appear mundane at the outset, it is certainly an interesting task for somebody who has an affinity for numbers. As an accountant, you will audit multiple client accounts and pinpoint the loopholes, if any. What's more, you will get an opportunity to prepare taxes and perform all the relevant financial paperwork for your organization. Regardless of the organization's size or structure, this can be a truly satisfying experience where you also get an opportunity to learn new accounting tactics and strategies through your daily operations. You would also have a great time preparing and assessing the financial analytics of the said organizations and tallying numbers with zero errors. The best part? You get to interact with new client accounts, which opens entirely new doors in accounts and finance management. Highly automated process. Automation is dominating almost every segment of businesses, and accounting jobs are no exception. Today's accountants no longer have to perform the boring tasks of bookkeeping or reviewing vouchers because high-end tools can do that in a couple of seconds. Most of the process-centric tasks are now handled by software and tools that are tailored to simplify accounts. Regardless of your preferred business, an automated budgeting device will help cater to business requirements. The seamless account automation will save you time to go through every individual process of your organization. It also simplifies budget and budgetary needs and constraints. Without the right software, it'll take you quite an amount of time to figure out which equipment needs proper repairs and how much exactly should your utility bills fluctuate. What's more, it will help establish achievable budgetary goals that are sustainable for the future. But what does this mean for accountants? Well, that simply means that accountants get plenty of room to develop specific traits related to the more crucial segments like corporate finance. Since accounting and bookkeeping tools can be used as needed, accountants are now significantly more empowered to tackle the bigger problems that are affecting the organization. This can be anything from the current cash flow, vital decision-making processes, or the overall structure of the capital. Automation also leaves accountants with plenty of room to understand client requirements better and change organizational processes depending on the changing client requirements. Plenty of interaction. If you enjoy interacting with clients and educating them with your financial insights, accounting might just be the ideal profession for you. Contrary to popular belief, the primary aspect of this profession is to impart strategic business insight to your company. So if you are fond of human interaction and if you enjoy sharing financial advice, this profession will give you more than enough room for growth. You won't just run numbers and tally them. Instead, you will encounter new, real-life business problems that can only be solved with persistence, insight, and financial knowledge. That means this job is just as people-centric as any other job. Learn to communicate in business language. Well, accounting is certainly the best and simplest language businesses communicate in. While numbers may seem boring at the outset, anyone with the knack and passion for the same would find it exciting to run numbers and explore the right strategies to tally accounts. So if you live and breathe business and are only looking to solidify your career in business management, you might as well start with accounting. This profession will prepare your base and strengthen your business insight quickly and efficiently. Plenty of industries to explore. Perhaps the biggest and best benefit of accounting is that it leaves you with opportunities in every industry. It doesn't matter if you are working for an FMCG company or an automobile manufacturer, because both of them will need business accounts managed. This way, you will also get a chance to work in several different domains until you zero in on a specific domain and choose to adhere to it. Plenty of Excel work. If you're into numbers, we are certain you will love Excel, and that is exactly what accounting lets you do. Since a large part of the job involves numbers, you will get a chance to work and tweak Excel sheets and learn the many sophisticated functions it comes with. Manage multiple facets of business. Budgeting is not just about money. To really achieve success, organizations should have proper budget planning about every facet of their business. This involves the time resources as well as real-time updates on inventory. The right budgeting tool not only simplifies otherwise tough processes, but it also gives you a complete insight into the many aspects of your business. They will quickly locate the appropriate opportunities to optimize costs. Likewise, it goes a long way in helping to monitor a range of business assets, including the ones you have lost. Backed by the appropriate accounting tools, these experts will help ascertain the cost of labor and supplies, budget goals, and all other required plans for preventing organizational mishaps. These individuals will quickly monitor your stock pools, leaving you with the right numbers on in-demand items, mismanaged or damaged products, reordered products, and more. So, when you professionally practice as an accountant, you don't merely get an opportunity to manage a specific department of your organization. Instead, it will leave you with a holistic organizational insight and multiple data sharing opportunities where you will also get a chance to disseminate sound financial advice. Well, now that you have a list of credible reasons, you probably know why you should consider accounting as a profession. The job is certainly exciting for anyone who enjoys their time with numbers and is excited about taking up new challenges. So, if you always had a knack for logical reasoning, economics, business studies, and mathematics, it's high time you considered this iconic and promising career. Remember, it doesn't matter if you are handling the accounts of a big, mid-sized, or small organization. As long as you have the drive to run numbers, check facts with respective stakeholders, and impart financial wisdom, you will continue to enjoy the job regardless of the organization you are a part of. The job won't get boring for passionate individuals. And even if it does, it will only be for the first or second year of your profession. Within 3 years or more, you will have a more holistic idea about the ins and outs of businesses and best practices in accounting. So, if you are genuinely passionate about problem solving and business management, you should certainly give accounting a try. With that, we've reached the end of today's episode. all about reasons why accounting can be fun. Did any of you guys expect accounting to be totally boring? Maybe you know of some other reasons why accounting can be fun. Get involved and let us know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, remember to leave a thumbs up. Plus, if you want to see more fantastic finance and accounting content just like this, remember to subscribe to the channel and check out our other socials, such as Instagram and TikTok that are listed in the video description. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.